going on YouTube? Lots and lots of stuff has changed. So figured I'd make an update video. New business popped up for me this year, photography video studio, and I literally had to stop on the Airstream for a minute and remodel almost 10,000 square foot. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what all sort of has changed since the last video, which was almost 9 months ago, as far as progress on this thing. But I have continued to make progress. So without further ado, let me show you inside. So I think the last video I did was kind of the little instructional video, or at least touch base on the end cap. And since then I finished out almost, I'm going to put a skylight there. I finished out the rest of the interior skin and had to go ahead and finish this out and stain it. Lowe's and their consistency, or whoever they get this wood from, and the consistency of the stain was not the same, so I just stained it all, and with some min wax, which I thought I had here, but I guess not. And got out of the shower. I'm gonna have to seal that probably today. Hooked up the drain. I'm not gonna keep this there. It's there for now, but I'm gonna figure out something with that. I am currently on, the big project I'm currently on is the belly pan, and I'm just kind of doing the small stuff as filler. But the belly pan is, I just finished painting the entire frame with industrial paint. I'll show you a little bit of that as well underneath, and what I did there. I'm getting ready to insulate it, and got testing some curtain patterns. But so that's sort of the bigger project, is the belly pan. I got the metal from Airparts Inc. They've been amazing. They're also who I sourced the interior skin from. So super helpful, super knowledgeable. They know things that, you know, they take a lot of the questions out of the process. So don't be afraid to call them and ask them. Mattress, if you have any suggestions on a mattress, it's probably not going to fit a queen, but we'll see. And oh yeah, so belly pan, insulation, and then I contacted Cullen Hyde and left a message this morning about new axles. So if I'm down there and I'm underneath and I went this far, then I'm probably going to go ahead and replace the axles as well, and try to get some more heavy duty axles with I think a 2 to 3 inch lift, and probably disc brakes instead of the drum brakes. So that's sort of where I'm at with that, and I will definitely keep you all posted. And gas lines will have to come after the belly pan to hook up the new furnace, the new stove or range, and the new precision temp water heater. And then hopefully I'll be able to sort of take it on its maiden voyage, at least locally. Maybe this year, maybe not. That's fine. I'm in no rush. The studio taking off here locally has put me in a position where I had to change things. I was going to be traveling full time. But I'll just start out slow and ease my way into it, several trips or several months at a time, and sort of get the studio running organically on its own, and create some income there as well. No rush there. And also travel to see how much storage space that I think I really need. I mean, I have storage everywhere, underneath there, back there, underneath the bed, and I'm blessed enough to have space to store things and employees to be able to ship things out to me on the road if need be. That is an option. So I almost would rather have visibility and comfort and room versus building out a bunch of storage that I think that I need and not needing it. So we'll see. I'd rather give it a few test runs and then just add to sometime the beginning of next year and really see what I need and what I don't need, and you know, what I think I need, and just enjoy it. You know, I got this thing 2 years ago and I haven't really I mean, I have had the funnest time of my life restoring it and remodeling it, but it's from my driveway, so I can't wait to get out and see what else that brings, what kind of joy that brings as well. And I don't want to get too caught up in perfection, even though it's really nice and I've had my runs with perfection, but it's time to enjoy it a little bit.
So here's where I'm at with the belly pan. Repainted everything. A lot of it's restructured and replaced. And I will be using rock wool underneath that as well, along with the new aluminum from Air Parts Inc. Custom gray tank.
So basically just buttoning some of that stuff up underneath with the belly pan, getting it ready for the rock wool and hopefully the new axles. And if y'all have any suggestions on a mattress, probably one of those that you buy and roll out and it expands, that's pretty comfortable, just drop them in the comments and let me know. Any help would be greatly appreciated on that. It doesn't have to be nothing spectacular at first. Just trying to really get settled in and enjoy it. Typically I try to buy right the first time, but it doesn't have to be perfect. You know, I'm gonna be spending a lot of time in this thing over a long period of time, hopefully. So there's always room for adjustments. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for bearing with the channel. Life shows up sometimes. I did change the name, obviously for my own reasons, to line up with Instagram and some of the other platforms as well, social media platforms as well. Make it easier to find me, easier to sort of cross post and things like that. So I'll be making another video here soon and keep y'all posted. But until next time, peace.